Hi guys, sorry to disturb, but I'm filming a YouTube video where I'm asking a question from a Chinese entrance examination. It's called Gaokao.
Gaokao is a Chinese word meaning high test that refers to the National Higher Education Entrance Examination.
The test covers subjects like science and math, plus essay questions.
It's typically held in June each year, when students must spend about 10 hours taking the exam.
It's just like JEE, and if you answer it correctly, I will give you 500 rupees. To give you 500 rupees. You can try. This is chemistry. I'm sorry, it's wet.
And how much time are you willing to give?
2 minutes. Okay. Oh, so there is a problem in the translation. I can give you the correct one. And once you decide, you will only get 2 minutes to answer.
Can you skim chemistry and give some other subject?
Yeah.
Single correct or multiple options?
In this one, multiple options are correct. This is for like high school students who like go into colleges, just like JEE.
China question paper.
Just like JEE, China has Gaokao. And the only catch is you will get 2 minutes to answer. Major and
Chemical.
why not chemistry?
Chemical engineering is not chemistry.
And you guys are in 4th here?
Yeah, all of
Fourth. Can I ask what is your major and which year are you doing? Biosciences. And what year? Oh, MSc second year. Definitely try it. If you want, you can just say, say hi.
Hello guys.
Department rank 2.
It's the exam that Chinese students give to go into universities. And compared to like 2 million students who gave JEE, 2.5 million in NEET, the Gaokao, this examination is given by 13 million.
So the distribution is probably difficult.
Yeah, and then it changes from region to region as well. For example, Shanghai has a different region, exam of itself, and then Beijing has a different exam. The best university resides in Bombay. So I have to come to Bombay or maybe Shanghai, like in
right.
China, and then give that exam because I want to get into that university. So it's like the world's most competitive exam. I think the ratio is much worse than UPSC as well.
Which of these exams are the toughest among themselves?
I think that Beijing and Shanghai, because the best universities reside there. So Beijing is definitely one. Yes.
वो तो सारी जाएंगे.
We are solving maths, right? And this is our MSQ. So multiple answers are correct. If you actually decide to do this, then I will start the timer. I will start the timer. 2 minutes. Huh? Which one? I have challenged Korean students with JEE. Oh, thank you so much. I found more people in IIT Bombay जिन्होंने मेरी videos देखी है पहले. So you only have like 50 seconds.
It's not 20 hours or 40 hours, so it should be 2 or 4. So it should be 2 or 4, and since this is given by 4 hours, it should be 2 hours.
फॉर्मूला याद है किसी को ये वाला? रो एल बाई है ना, तो यहाँ पर क्या चीज़ क्या है?
Do you want me to translate what is written here? I don't know if it's needed or not. Is it your final answer? You have 20 seconds, like 16.
It should be 2 hours or 4 hours. This becomes 4 times. It is logarithmically dependent, so
Your time is over. You have to give me your final answer.
it should be 2 hours.
VD का फॉर्मूला बताना मेरे को. BD लग रहा है मेरे को. मान A and D लग रहा है. Maybe A and D.
It's going with AD.
AD, final. A and D. So I am stopping the timer. Let's see if you are correct. Let's see. You are selecting 2 hours. Okay. So for maths, the question, the answer is 2 hours. So you want 500 rupees. Okay, it's correct. I'm so sorry. It's A and C. C was the correct one. I'm sorry. There is a twist. The twist is this paper, there was a hardest question. If you solve this one as well, I will give you 1,000.
So 1,000 extra or
No. You want to try the hardest question from maths as well? The twist is that if you solve the question,
Is there a math question?
yeah.
Not that hard, but not exactly confident that I'll get the answer.
Yeah. So there are 3 parts. Even if you get 2 correct, I will still give you.
And how much time are you willing to give?
2 minutes again. Okay.
Need 500.
But this is definitely double or nothing. So you're risking your 500. Okay.
Just 2 minutes. So if my hardest question also we get 2 minutes.
But this is how the paper works as well.
निकल जाएगा 1 plus x t मान के ln x by x ln x to t 1 by x. वही वो तो जाएगा.
The first one is easy, but complicated one is the second or third.
Prove that except at the tangent point in A,
For every x doesn't equal to a in the domain fx, the tangent value at capital A.
you wanted an numeric value or?
Exponential form.
देख ये होगा B. अच्छा ये C है. Semi major axis is A. This is A.
अबे ये E होता है ना.
अरे E तो दिया होना चाहिए.
मेरे C है, AE है, L1 लाइन क्या है? अरे अरे वो है ये हाइप वो बन रहा है
Quadratic, parabolic. For -1 to 0, the curve lies above. There is a minima.
Yeah, you are on the right path, but you have to give me the range as well.
This is f dash of x.
Yes.
So when you integrate this, happens to be ln square of 1 plus x by 2, which is f of x. And it comes with a constant, but since f of 0 is 0,
Okay.
if I substitute 0 here, it is ln 1 by 2, which is
Yes.
0.
Yes.
So there's no constant. So the plot of that is somewhat like this. At -1 it reaches infinity, and at 0 it is 0. And it's an exponentially increasing curve for the function f of x. Now if I come to the tangent, which is basically f dash of a, that is the tangent. So y equal to f dash of a is the tangent at a. So that is y equal to ln of 1 plus a by 1 plus a. Horizontal line is the tangent. So that line lands around here, and when x is equal to a, it is below that.
Okay.
At all other regions, you will see that the ln graph is above the tangent graph.
Okay.
So that is how we can say that f of x is greater than f dash of the tangent. Only at x equal to a, you will get that tangent is equal to the f of x.
So maxima is at this 1 plus e by e, 1 minus e by e. Okay, and for second part, okay, so f dash x is ln 1 plus x
Yeah, where the
upon 1
tangent
plus
line
x.
will be. So if you
Tangent
plot
tangent would be at 1 minus e by e. This over 1 plus x whole square, right? So
Okay.
x at 1 minus e by e would give the maximum value of f dash x. So basically the maximum value would be ln 1 by e divided by 1 by e. So that would give me, right, so for x to be negative, 1 minus x would be positive,
Okay.
but ln 1 plus x would be would be less than 1. So ln would give a negative result.
Yes.
So f dash x is decreasing.
Yes.
So basically function is decreasing from
Yeah.
-1 to 0.
Yeah.
So it would have a minimum at 0
Yeah.
for that part.
How
and
would that
therefore-
look like?
Like this, something like this.
Yeah.
So basically at this point,
Yeah.
you see the curve lies above the tangent to that line.
Got it.
What is It will have a minima at 0, and it will.
Curve.
Yes. It will
The
like
curve should
go
have the
something.
minimum at 0.
It is like that.
Yeah.
It's decreasing
It's
before.
correct. It's correct. I was just trying to understand. Me, myself as well. I don't completely understand it, but yeah. Okay, to be honest, I didn't understand quite well, but it seems that it's similar.
So
to
it's
what-
graphically proved.
Yes.
And you just find the tangent using y minus f of a is equal to ln of 1 plus a by 1 plus a into x minus a. That is the tangent. So if you plot that graphically and find the intersection point, it will only intersect at a. Apart from that, it is a tangent to the graph, which means apart from that, in every region, it will be flat and the graph will touch it like this. So the tangent will always be below the graph. That is why, except at the touching point, f of x is always greater than the tangent.
Okay.
So, two parts.
Okay. I think it should be. I have to give you. No. Definitely. So I can give you 1,000 rupees. You guys have done way more than the question was asked, but this is a small gift for you.
So I didn't feel this as tough as the advanced, to be honest.
How?
Not at all close.
Not
Really?
close, yeah.
No. These are usually JEE main questions. So advanced questions are tougher. than
It's
JEE.
not even JEE advanced.
It's JEE main. You will find them in NCERT in our.
Really?
Not to flex, but if you want tougher questions, you can message me. I'll give you some. Just fill in the values there.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Yeah. Thank you.